Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get ChatGPT to write an essay. So let's go to the ChatGPT first. Log into ChatGPT with ID and password. So after login, you have to comment here, write uh, write an essay on. In which essay do you want to write? You can write here like global warming. Now click enter. You can add here the specific words, in how many words you want to write essay in that specific subject. So you can see that essay is writing here. You can see it is still writing here. Here you can see the essay is completely written. Now you can use this essay. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.